Navigator, what's the ETA for our target?
About 11 minutes.
Roger.
11 minutes? Hey, all the evil spirits! Holy shit! Sir? I am not dropping bombs if we can't see the damn target. Navigator, how does the secondary target look?
Navigator to command pilot. The same. Zero visibility, sir.
Command pilot to crew. I'm scrubbing this mission.
Pilot to crew, mission scrub. Repeat, mission scrub.
Fire! 12 o'clock high!
Fuck!
They got Adams. Oh no. No! They got a van!